In this video, I will show you how to cancel the ExpressVPN trial. First, you have to open the Apple Store or Google Play Store and search ExpressVPN. Download the app ExpressVPN and open it. Make sure to log into your account first or you can create a new one. Tap on the options at the bottom of the screen, tap on Manage Subscription and toggle on the option Renewal Receipts. Tap on Done and go back to the account page. You will see Delete Your Account option at the bottom of the screen. Select Delete Your Account and it will give you a warning message that your subscription or free trial will be cancelled. Select the option Manage Subscription and then tap on the app named ExpressVPN. You can see your subscription and tap on Cancel Free Trial. It will give you a confirmation message and then confirm it. It will tell you that you will still have access until the proper cancellation of the subscription. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on ExpressVPN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.